All right, here we go again. Another Willow Mix video. Stacy, what are we doing today?
Today, Jacob, we're gonna do Mr. Bubble Original Bubble Foam Soap.
She's still saying my name because last video we said we had said it in like 2 months. So now every video she's gonna make sure she says my name. Hey everybody, my name's Jacob. So, uh, ooh, so foam soap bubbleberry. I wonder if it
Oh,
smells. That's interesting.
look at that.
Huh. Make slime. There you go. It actually says make slime. Visit MrBubble.com for recipe. We're not going to go by that. We're just going to mix it in. So hopefully, maybe it's like shaving cream. Like you remember we were testing and we put shaving cream in some of this.
Yeah,
I
what'd
wonder
you say? Doodle. Yours says doodle. Mine says fluffy.
Oh, maybe that's the name of the guy. All right. So I'm gonna do the white base. Stacy's gonna do the clear slime. Let's see here. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah,
oops.
that clear might be a little stiff because it was still kind of clearing up. So, all right. So what are we're just gonna.
I'm shaking it. Oh shit!
Dude, this smells so good. Like it's amazing. What is this?
It smells like a bath.
I think it's gonna be like shaving cream.
It's messy.
I probably maybe put too much in.
No way. You really?
Listen, listen, Linda.
Linda's not my name.
I mean, I'm just saying, maybe I put too much in there. I've lost the slime. I have literally lost the slime in this.
Oh. There is no pull. It straight up made the clear chunky.
It did, huh?
Look at that.
I don't know. I'm mixing. I'm still mixing over here.
There's a pull.
Oh, look.
What?
Mine's coming together.
Yeah, yours is. That's cool.
Mine is
It's a
coming
duck.
together. This is so cool.
Smells really good.
It smells amazing. Oh man. It's so fluffy too. Like it's not like regular shaving cream when you put it in slime. Like the shaving cream you put in slime, it's a little heavier. I mean, yeah, it's still fluffy, but like this is like super fluffy.
Oh, here we go. Mine's coming finally
Okay.
together. Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Definitely not clear no more. Here, look.
It is coming together.
It's very stiff though.
Well, that original slime, it's been sitting. I think that clear slime's only been sitting for 2 weeks.
Oh, look. It's kind of got like a almost like an iridescent.
It does, doesn't it? Trying to like get it off my hands though.
I made a mess. Does yours have an iridescent? Mine doesn't pull like yours does.
Here,
Shoot.
let me see. Let me see yours.
Hold on, let me
Check
get all
this out.
Let me get all this pink off my
Like
hand.
this is like cotton candy. Like this is what I expected the cotton candy to be like when we mix the cotton candy into it. Like this is very much.
Ooh, I like that.
Is that not crazy?
I like that. That one's very stiff.
It is, but it's still different. Like it doesn't feel as much like the clear.
Oh, I like this one.
This smells freaking amazing.
I like this one.
Is that not cool?
Yes.
That is very cool. Okay.
Jacob's was better than mine.
I'm never gonna live this down. You guys are gonna hear my name in every single video now going forward. I can't help it.
I don't call you that, like around the house, so it's not,
I know. Didn't even think about it.
I didn't even think about saying it. There
I
in the
wasn't
video.
even realizing, like, when I was like, oh, Stacy, like, what are we mixing today?
Don't call me Stacy around the house.
It's more like, hey, babe,
Yeah.
how are you doing today? What do you need? Is there anything I can do
Or
for
Linda.
you? Linda. Listen, Linda. Dude, I love that video. That little kid. Listen, Linda. If you have not seen that, go check that out. Super old video.
Super old.
But still great. All right. So, Mr. Bubble foam soap. Really cool. Mixed really well into the white base. It did well in the clear as well. Well, yeah, absolutely. I think it's more kind of borderline on like putting shaving cream probably
Yeah.
into the slime. Definitely something.
Cut it on my shirt.
Definitely something you could do with your kids. Not too messy. Did take a minute for it to mix. Like you saw that, right? Like at first we're like, it's not gonna mix, but you really got to be able to kind of work it in there. So on that note, thank you guys for all of the comments, all of the subscribers, all the followers. We really appreciate it. We love doing this. We've been having a great time doing this. And we hope you guys have an amazing day, and we'll see you in the next video.